So in this video we will learn how to add security camera in iCam365 app. Okay, iCam365. There can be different model of camera, like this one type of model, this is another type, or different brand. But if the camera uses iCam365 app, then this video is for you. Like this camera uses iCam365. Yeah, if you see, this one also uses iCam365, although they are in different brand, and we will show both for iPhone and the Android phone. So let's start. So in step 1 we need to install the app and create an account. So we need to install the app iCam365. So this is the iPhone and this is the Android phone. So in iPhone, go to App Store, and in Android phone go to Play Store and write iCam365 app, then install. Similarly here, install. Yeah, they are installing. So after installing, we need to create the account. If you are a new user, then you need to sign up, but if you already a user, then you can just sign in. So it's almost done here. This is also done. So open. So agree. Don't allow. Yeah, now no account, sign up. Okay, we need to sign up. So I have a sign up. Want to click this one and then sign up. Yeah, open account, agree. This one, create account. Yeah, now we need to sign up. Now same process for both Android phone and Apple phone. So now I am showing only the Apple phone, but this is the same process for Android phone. Okay, so now you need to enter your email address and a verification code. So now I'm entering my email address. Yeah, then click get code. Yeah, they sent a code. Now we need to check our email address for that code. Yeah, now if I check the email, then they sent a code. So this is the code they sent me. So 832431. So now we need to set the password. So I'm the setting password. So I set the password, complete. So signed up successful. In step 2 we will learn how to add the camera and how to use it. So first we need to sign in with our email that we already created. So sign in the app with your email address that we already created in first step. So login. Yeah, now we need to give power to the camera. So give the power connection. Yeah, if it get power, it will rotate. Yeah, it start rotating.
Camera startup. Wait for user config.
It says camera startup, wait for user configuration. Now what we need to do, press the plus sign.
Please scan the QR code on the machine body.
Now we need to scan the code that is in here. Okay, every camera has this code, like this one has code, that one has code, every camera has that code. So scan the code now. So just hold the camera in front of this
enter a Wi-Fi password and
this
click
code.
Next.
Now we need to choose the Wi-Fi network. So this is my Wi-Fi name and I'm entering it password.
Show the QR code to the device camera.
Now we need to show the code to the device camera. So now, yeah,
Receive configuration. Connect router.
receive configuration, connect router. So click here, next.
Try to put the router, the mobile phone, and the device as close as possible.
Now the router, the phone and the camera should be close. Yeah, like not too close.
Connect cloud server. Please wait.
Yeah, it says please wait.
Device added successfully.
So it says added successfully. Now we can give a name like test 1. So complete. So it says start your 1 month trial. We do not want to start, so not now. Now yellow. So this is, yeah, now I can see. So if we press here, got it. Yeah, now you can see it's working. And next question is how to control this one. So if you want to rotate, then press this one. It will rotate the direction. Okay, if you want to talk, then press and hold this button. You need to press and hold this button, then you can talk. You can also make video, then press this one, then you can make a video. Then you can also take picture, like if you click this one, then you can take picture. If for some reason camera doesn't scan the code, then maybe you need to reset the camera. So how you can reset the camera? Did you see there's a reset button here? So take something like this and press and hold. You can feel something here. So press and hold, then camera will reset it. You can see.
Reset successfully.
So it
Wait
said,
for camera rebooting.
yeah, reset successfully. So if there is an issue, then you can reset the camera, then it will definitely work. Thanks for watching.